Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Good morning, students of class 9th. How are you? Hope all you are fine. चलिए, let us start your new session 8 of quadrilaters. In previous video we discussed midpoint theorem and converse of midpoint theorem and examples. Now we started with exercise 8.2. What is our exercise 8.2? This is related on the topic of midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem says if two lines joining the midpoints of two sides, then it is parallel and half of third side. क्या कहती थी? अगर किसी भी ट्रायंगल में क्योंकि दो साइड्स को मिलाने वाली लाइन तीसरी लाइन के मिड पॉइंट्स को मिलाने वाली लाइन तीसरी साइड्स के पैरेलल और हाफ होती थी, ठीक है। एंड कन्वर्स सेज इज इन अ ट्रायंगल अगर एक मिड पॉइंट्स को मिला रही लाइन और थर्ड लाइन के पैरेलल हो तो कहां जाकर मिलेगी? दिस इज आल्सो मिड पॉइंट, दे मीट आल्सो इन मिड पॉइंट. Is it clear? Now we for this taking start with exercise 8.2. Question number 1. ABCD is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. A, B, C and D. This is our quadrilateral. In which P, Q, R, S are midpoints. This is our midpoint. P, Q, R and S. This is our midpoints of side AB, BC, CD and DA. AC is a diagonal. This is our diagonal. We show that three proof. What is first proof? That is first proof is SR parallel to AC. We prove that SR, this one parallel दिखाना है किसके? AC and half of it and half of AC. Is it clear? Second part, PQ equal to SR. We prove PQ parallel to equal to SR. And third is PQRS is parallel. ये तीन बातें प्रूव करनी है बेटा इस क्वेश्चन. सो आवर कंस्ट्रक्शन इज दैट इज आवर कंस्ट्रक्शन ज्वाइन PS and RQ. PS, RQ and BD also. वैसे इसमें जरूरत नहीं होगी, आप RQ उधर. नाउ स्टार्ट विद प्रूफ. व्हाट इज प्रूफ? चलिए पहले बेटे ऊपर वाले ट्रायंगल स्टार्ट कीजिए. कम ऑन द अपर ट्रायंगल. इन ट्रायंगल ADC. Yes. What is this? This is the midpoint and this is also midpoint. S and R are midpoint. If they are midpoints, so this line 100% is parallel to AC and half of AC. Why? Because midpoint theorem said. क्योंकि midpoint theorem कहती थी कि हमेशा दो midpoints को मिलाने वाली लाइन तीसरी लाइन के पैरेलल और हाफ होगी. Is it clear? So SR parallel to AC and SR half of AC by midpoint theorem. Is it clear my dear? ठीक है. This is our first proof. हमारा first proof हो गया. Now in a second proof, come on the lower triangle. In triangle ABC. What this line says? Again, this and this are midpoints. P and Q are midpoint. Again, midpoint theorem says who is parallel to equal to PQ parallel to and equal to PQ parallel to AC and PQ half of AC. Again by midpoint theorem. Again this is same midpoint theorem. Now we know that SR parallel to AC and PQ parallel to AC. ये भी इसका भाई, ये भी इसका भाई, तो ये दोनों भी आपस में क्या होंगे? PQ और SR भाई भाई. Is it clear? So PQ equal to parallel to SR. Again ये भी इसका भाई half of AC था and this value is also equal to half of AC. दोनों आपस में भाई भाई, तो ये दोनों भी आपस में क्या होंगे? This is also equal and PQ equal to SR. This is our second proof. Is it clear? Now third proof. Third part, we know that this line is equal to and parallel to SR. Since one pair of quadrilateral, whose quadrilateral? What quadrilateral? That is PQRS is equal and parallel. Therefore, PQRS is parallel. This is our third proof. Is it clear? Now, let us start question number second. What is our question? Second. Question second is ABCD is a rhombus. This is a given. ABCD is a rhombus. This is given. A, B, C, D. Conjugate sides are equal and diagonals are perpendicular bisect each other. This is the properties of rhombus. What is the first property? Conjugate sides are equal. Second property is diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other. And PQRS again he says that P, Q, R and S. This is the midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA. Show that the quadrilateral, this one, is rectangle. We prove that PQRS is rectangle. That is rectangle. PQRS is rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90. So, prove it construction. First of all, we do the construction. Join AC and BD. Is it clear? Now, come on the proof. What is our proof? Yes. Again, we prove it. PQR is a parallelogram, same as question number 1. We know that S and R are midpoints. Then midpoint theorem says this line S and Q is parallel and half of parallel to AC and half of AC by midpoint theorem. Is it clear? Again, we know that P and Q are midpoints. Again, PQ parallel to like that बिल्कुल सेम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बिल्कुल सेम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरह बिल्कुल वैसे ही प्रूफ आपने करना है. PQ हाफ ऑफ AC. Again, midpoint theorem. SR parallel to AC, PQ parallel to AC. So therefore, SR parallel to PQ. Again, SR half of AC, PQ half of AC. So SR equal to PQ. Since one pair of quadrilateral is equal and parallel, so quadrilateral becomes a ABCD is, this is the property, if one pair of it, any quadrilateral is equal and parallel, that this quadrilateral is parallelogram. Parallelogram हो जाएगा, so ABCD is parallelogram and opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. Then PS equal to RQ and RS equal to PQ. Is it clear? PS equal to RQ. Sorry, PS yes. PQ equal to RQ and PQ equal to SR. एक आधी बात प्रूफ हो गई रेक्टेंगल्स की कि क्या कि अपोजिट साइड्स आपस में इक्वल हो गए. अब देखिए ईच एंगल हम 90 का दिखाएंगे. हाउ? मैं रब कर रहा हूँ इसे. लेट अस स्टार्ट. Yes, M, this is O, M, N. Is it clear? But we know that the diagonal of this diagonal of rhombus is perpendicular to each other. एक दूसरे के क्या होते हैं? परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं और बाइसेक्ट भी करते हैं. मुझे परपेंडिकुलर. So this angle 1 maybe is 90 का हो गया अगर परपेंडिकुलर है. नाउ वी नो दैट AC पैरेलल टू P. बेटे पूरी AC पैरेलल है किसके? P के. तो पूरी है तो फिर इतनी सी भी पैरेलल होगी. सो OM पैरेलल टू PM. आल्सो वी नो दैट कि ऐसे BD पैरेलल है किसके, पैरेललोग्राम था PS के, तो जब पूरी है तो ये इतनी सी भी पैरेलल होगी, PM पैरेलल टू O है, this one parallel to this one and this one parallel to this one, so this is become parallelogram. O and PM is parallelogram, and opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So angle this one M1 equal to angle P, but angle 1 is 90, so P is also 90. अब ये 90 हो गया, ठीक है। ऐसी सिमिलरली वी कैन प्रूव, क्या प्रूव कर सकते हैं, दैट इज एंगल RS Q all are 90. दिस इज द बी पार्ट। our A पार्ट इज जो मैंने पहले प्रूव किया था कि इट्स बी पैरेललोग्राम एंड ऑल सेट्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम्स आर इक्वल, देखिए वहां A लिख लेना। इज इट क्लियर? सो बाय इक्वेशन A एंड B opposite sides are equal and each angle of a quadrilateral is 90, so it becomes rectangle. So PQRS is rectangle. This is our rule. Is it clear, my dear? So in next video we discuss further question of this exercise. First of all, I say one thing, you that third is for your homework. Third is for your homework. So my dear, I hope you understand this all question. सारा काम फिर से कह रहा हूँ, अपनी नोटबुक में करते रहिए, किसी दिन भी चेकिंग हो जाएगी नोटबुक की। इज इट क्लियर माय डियर? टिल देन थैंक यू वेरी मच माय डियर।
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.